Hello guys, welcome back to my channel English with Sarita. So guys, it's such a long time that I am making the video. Actually, I was busy in few projects related to English. So I will definitely tell you about it later. So many of you must be knowing me that I am Sarita and I started my spoken English journey in COVID-19. And I have made many videos that how I took 30 days spoken English challenge, how I evaluated my English and how I have grown up at a level that at least I can speak with the people. So guys, if you are new to the channel and ready to learn the tricks and tips from me that how I learned my English and how I am able to speak such a good English nowadays, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So guys, let's start today's video. Guys, in today's video I am going to tell you about the two basic things if you are ready to learn the English. Guys, first of all, I want to clarify that I am not a teacher. Today also I make so many mistakes while speaking, while conversing with the people, but it doesn't stop me. There are many people who make fun of me and I see many comments in the comment box who says that okay, stop talking in English, why you are making videos, but it doesn't mean that I stop making videos and I stop working on myself, I stop working on my spoken English. No, I will learn English and the day will come that I will be a very good speaker. So guys, coming back, that what are the two basic things a beginner should need while practicing spoken English. So guys, the very first thing is listen to the English content. Yes, this is the basic thing which you should start from today only if you really want to learn the English. Guys, think of a kid. If we talk in Hindi, our kids start talking in Hindi. If we talk in English, our kids start talking in English. How do they learn all these languages? So easy. They listen to our language and they respond the same way. So the first thing you should start listening English content. English content that should be of your choice. Like many of the people like history things, so there are so many podcasts nowadays, you can listen to them. Many people like English movies dubbed in Hindi, so at least start watching the English movies with the subtitles, and the day will come that you will be easily understanding their English spoken English part. So the first thing is start listening to the English content. The second part, which is the very crucial part of the spoken English, is to speak English. So guys, you need to find out a friend or a person with whom you can converse in English. Yes, this is the main part. You can surround yourself with the at most English content, like you watch all the English videos, you read all the English books, but if you are not able to speak, then it's all in vain. So guys, find out the good English partner. In case you don't find any friend who can speak in English, then at least try my strategy, what I did. So guys, I took a 30 days spoken English challenge. I made videos continuously for 30 days and I posted all those videos on the YouTube. I knew it that I am making so many mistakes. There are many haters who will write the bad comments, but I didn't stop. So you also start making videos, and guys, when you make a video, it takes a lots of practice, and that is the practice which will enable you to speak the good English. So guys, these are the two things which you need to take care from today only then you will be able to speak the good English. So guys, this is enough for the day. I will come again. I will again share my tips and tricks that how I started spoken English. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.